Hello everyone and welcome to the last match in round 2 of the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Waterford Primary up against Linstead Primary, both from St. Catherine. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So, let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Waterford Primary won. They decided that they will play first. So, Waterford Primary, with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Who was the Hebrew who rose to become governor of Egypt?
Daniel.
Incorrect. Joseph. Linstead Primary Bible knowledge. Who was the Hebrew woman who rose to become Queen of Persia?
Esther. Esther.
Correct. Waterford Primary Science. What kind of energy does a stove give off that causes food to cook?
Heat energy. Heat energy.
Correct. Science U Linstead Primary. What kind of energy is produced by a generator?
Electrical energy.
Correct. Waterford Regional Affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Donovan Mitchell.
Incorrect. Mayor of Falmouth, Colin Gager. Regional Affairs to you, Linstead Primary. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. It's a visual question.
Norman Scott.
Incorrect. Mayor of Port Maria, Richard Crary. English language for Waterford, spelled spontaneous.
Spontaneous. Spontaneous.
Correct. English language to Linstead Primary, spell perjury.
P-U-R-G-E-R-Y.
Incorrect. P-E-R-J-U-R-Y. Television to Waterford. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Halle Berry.
Incorrect. Vivica Fox. Television to you, Linstead Primary. Also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Angelina Jolie.
Incorrect. Paula Patton. Waterford, general knowledge. True or false? The Most Honorable Andrew Holness is the first Prime Minister of Jamaica to be born after independence.
False.
Incorrect. True. General knowledge to Linstead Primary. True or false? The Most Honorable Edward Seaga was the longest serving Prime Minister of Jamaica.
False. False.
Correct. Social studies for Waterford. In which Jamaican parish can you find the Salt River?
St. Thomas.
Incorrect. Clarendon. Social studies, Linstead Primary. In which Jamaican parish can you find the Sweet River?
Clarendon.
Incorrect. Westmoreland. Waterford. Music. Which gospel artist recorded the song Intentional?
Kirk Franklin.
Incorrect. Travis Green. Music to you, Linstead Primary. Which gospel artist recorded the song Break Every Chain?
Yolanda Adams.
Incorrect. Tasha Cobbs. Waterford Primary Mathematics. What is the sum of 50.24 and 85.65?
135.89.
Correct. Mathematics to Linstead Primary. What is the sum of 64.56 and 71.02?
135.58.
Correct. Waterford Primary. Sports is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Gareth Bale. Gareth Bale.
Correct. Sports to you as well, Linstead. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andres Iniesta.
Andres Iniesta.
Correct. Regional Affairs to Waterford Primary. Complete the Jamaican proverb. See me and come live with me.
A two different thing. A two different thing.
Correct. Regional Affairs to you, Linstead Primary. Complete the Jamaican proverb. And all who go church.
A Christian.
Incorrect. Go for prayer. And that is the end of section 1. The scores currently read Linstead Primary on 5 points and Waterford Primary also on 5 points. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, discuss difficult subject areas with your teacher and ask for help if you need it. Please stay with us. This match in the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.